It is possible when you are using GardenCAD to draw lines with different line type patterns. If I zoom in here I've drawn a line with a dot pattern, here a long dash, short dash pattern. And your line types need to be loaded. They're not there at the default when you start GardenCAD, although we may change that in later versions. You do need to load some line types, and you do that with the line type command. You need to type that at the keyboard. Up will pop this box, and you'll say add from file, and we'll put a link to GardenCAD or an ACAD. You may well find an ACAD line type file available to you immediately, but we'll put some of these different line type pattern files up on the GardenCAD Net website. So, and again, as I said, that may change as we adjust GardenCAD. But the point being, at the moment, I'll cancel from here, you can certainly put lines of different line types in. That might be quite useful if you are doing a concept diagram. You might want to draw an ellipse. Put an ellipse in, give it its axes like so, then select the line that the ellipse has been drawn with. It should be a dot pattern. You can't see it at the moment because the line type scale is a little short, a little small. We'll knock that up to 100 and see whether that makes a difference. Let's close there. Can we see? Hasn't made a difference. What did I make this one? I'll click on this one, go to properties. Yeah, I made that one 1000, and it's the dot pattern. It's not until I make the line thick, I think. Let's check that one. Line weight by layer. Let's make the line weight 2, and again see if that makes any difference. It's unusual. It worked with the line, you'll notice, and we'll push this again to, I'm only guessing, to 1000 here and see if that has any effect. And it doesn't appear to. If we explode the line and then click here and look at the properties again, it's still 1000 and still got the correct line weight. We're not seeing the line weight, nor are we seeing, well, yes, we are seeing the line weight, but we're not seeing the pattern. I have no idea why that is not working on an ellipse. Let's try an arc. Draw an arc, a 3-point arc. Bang, bang, bang. Let's select that arc, change the properties to 100, click away from there. To me that looks as though that may be going to work, but we'll change the line type. The scale is correct. We want the line weight to be large enough so that we can see it, and do that. And let's do a redraw of the screen. Still that doesn't work. Finally I'll try a line again, setting the properties of that line to 100 for the line type scale, and the weight so we can see it to 2, and we'll OK that, and it works. So clearly GardenCAD is not capable of putting the line type pattern, or certainly not a dot pattern. I'll try some of the others in a moment. But so you have to rely on lines to do that sort of thing. You're more likely to use lines for border lines and services anyway, so I don't see that as a major problem, although we'll fix it in later releases.